Hi again, it's still Alan from Alan's Magic, and I hope you're enjoying all these little videos that we're doing for you today. And as I said earlier, the magic I'm showing you are just simple visual tricks that you can incorporate into your presentations. Again, just have a think, how would you use magic tricks just to help get the point across or make a point? So that in mind, I'm going to show you something. If you watch the video on the traffic lights, remember red was on top, that means stop, green down below, that means go. And I used the coloured balls and they were jumping and floating all over. But here's something really simple you could do to your class to help reiterate: green down below, that means go, and red on top, that means stop. And I'm a little bit thirsty today, I have lots of water here, but I'll show you. So remember, it was green. Now green always goes down below, green means go. And it'd be pretty cool if this was actually green water. But remember the magic words: stop, look, listen and think, and then hopefully, there we have green water. So green goes down below, and that means go. Another colour was yellow. Remember I said yellow goes in between so it can be seen. When you do drive a car, yellow or amber means different things, but it's not that important just now, but you still need to show yellow in between. So again, it'd be pretty cool if I had yellow in between. So green down below, that means go, and yellow, there we are, yellow in between so it can be seen. So green down below, that means go, yellow in between. And the most important one, remember, was red. And remember, red is on top because red tells you to stop. So again, with green down below, that means go, yellow in between so it can be seen, and then hopefully stop, look, listen, think, red on top, that means stop. So that's a nice visual way to remember: green down below, that means go, yellow in between so it can be seen, and always on top, red means stop. So again, that's a simple little magic trick that I would use. It's visual. You can then chat a bit more about what you do at the traffic lights, how you stop near the edge of the curb, wait for the green person to come on before you can cross. But a nice little way, and I would just leave that there just to remind people: green down below, that means go, and red on top, that means stop. I'm now going to show you how this was done. And the good news is it's really, really easy. So all you need are, as I have here, 3 jars of water, lids, and a special magic ingredient. And some of you maybe guessed what it is already. It's food colouring. Okay, we have red food colouring, we have green food colouring, and we have yellow food colouring. Now, just to let you know, this is actually food colouring gel. Now you get food colouring liquid and you get it in gel. Any supermarket should have these. And the reason you use gel, I'll explain. Because what you need to do is take the lid and you take some of the food colouring gel and it goes on the lid. Now because gel is thicker and a bit more sticky, it should stay in the lid, because you're going to turn the lid over and place it back on the jar. And if you just used a liquid, it would start to drip down. So there's a little bit of the food colouring on there. Just slowly turn that over and place it on there. And then as soon as you shake that, when you're ready, it'll turn green. You do one for yellow, which I'll just quickly do as well. So the yellow goes on there like so. A little bit of yellow food colouring on there. There we are. That one goes there. And then finally, the most important colour is red. Well, by the way, a little hint here as well. I put a little dot on the lids as well. Red, green. So remember which colour I'm going to shake. There's no point in me shaking the red and it turns yellow. So a little dot of red on the red, a little dot of green, and you know the yellow one's in the middle. So last of all, we'll just put a little bit of the red food colouring on there, like so. And that's you set to go. Again, just carefully turn it over and put the lid on there. So you can talk about different meanings of the colours: red on top, green down below. You take the green one, remember the green dot, so I know that's green. I give it a shake, like so. It turns green. Green down below, that means go. Next one's yellow. So I see that one's a red, so I know that one's a yellow. I say yellow is in between, so it can be seen, like so. And then finally, the most important one, red. Red is on top, and that means stop. Now you can experiment with more or less colours. More red, it'll be brighter, less, it'll be less bright. A fantastic little trick, really easy to do, that allows you to show red on top, that means stop, and green down below, that means go.